Hello everyone, I am Guru Prasad Upadhyaya, HOD, Department of Mathematics, Canara Engineering College, Bantwala. In the last previous two lectures, in the partial differential equation, that is module 3 of Advanced Calculus and Numerical Methods, VTU syllabus 18 Mat 1, we discussed about how to form the partial differential equation. Now, how to solve the partial differential equations by direct integration method. Before discussing the solutions of the partial differential equations by direct integration method, we will discuss some basic concept of the integration. Now, integral of k into x power n dx equal to k into x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. That means when you are going to integrate with respect to x, treat y constant. Therefore, here y cube is constant. Integral of x square y cube dx is y cube into x power 3 by 3. That means x cube y cube by 3 plus integrating constant c is replaced by function of y, because you are integrating with respect to x means treat y constant. Therefore, integrating constant may be a function of y. Similarly, when you integrate x square y cube with respect to y, x square is constant, integral of y cube is y power 4 by 4 plus integrating constant, let it be f of x, because x is constant. So, integrating constant is f of x. Integral of sin ax plus by with respect to x is minus cos ax plus by divided by a, means the coefficient of x is a here. Therefore, divided by a, since you are integrating with respect to x, plus integrating constant, since y is constant, the constant of integral is f of y, any function of y. Okay. Integral of sin ax plus by dy is nothing but minus cos ax plus by divided by b, means coefficient of y is here b, therefore divided by b, plus integrating constant is f of x, any arbitrary function of x. Similarly, cos ax plus by integral is with respect to x is sin ax plus by divided by a plus integrating constant f of y, and integral of cos ax plus by with respect to y is sin ax plus by divided by b plus integrating constant, that is f of x, because x is constant, integrating constant is any arbitrary function of x. So, this is basic concept used here. Okay. The solution of partial differential equations, equation solvable by direct integration. Examples. First, solve dou cube z by dou x square dou y plus 18xy square plus sin 2x minus y equal to 0. Here, integrate this equation twice with respect to x and once with respect to y. Then dou by dou x, dou by dou x, dou by dou y cancels. Therefore, first integrate, here no any initial condition. Therefore, first integrate with respect to x twice, keeping y fixed. When you integrate with respect to x, dou by dou x cancels, dou square z by dou x dou y remains, plus integral of x is x square by 2, cancel 2. So, 9x square y square, because y square is constant, keep as it is. So, 9x square y square. Integral of sin is minus cos 2x minus y, integrate with respect to x means coefficient of x is 2 divided by 2 equal to integrating constant, let it be function of y, because y is constant. Again integrate with respect to x. So, dou by dou x cancel, dou z by dou y remains, x square integration is x cube by 3, cancel 3. So, 3x square y, x cube y square minus integral of cos is sin 2x minus y divided by 2. Here 2 into 2 is 4 equal to integral of f of y, since y is fixed, f of y is constant, integral of constant with respect to x is x into f of y plus integrating constant any function of y, arbitrary function of y, let it be g of y. Now dou z by dou y is there, therefore integrate with respect to y keeping x fixed. Now z plus 3x cube y cube by 3, 3x cube is constant, integral of y square with respect to y is y cube by 3, cancel 3, therefore x cube y cube. Now integration of sin 2x minus y with respect to y is minus cos 2x minus y divided by minus 1. So minus minus plus, this minus remains. So minus cos 2x minus y divided by 4. Integral of sin is minus cos. Again, coefficient of y is minus 1 divided by minus 1. So minus cancels and one more minus remains here. So minus cos 2x minus y divided by 4 equal to x is constant, integral of f of y. Since f of y is arbitrary constant, let it be some capital F of y, plus integral of g of y, let it be capital G of y with respect to y, plus integrating constant is any function of x, let it be h of x. Here f of y, g of y and h of x are arbitrary functions, and capital F of y is integral of small f of y dy, capital G of y is integral of small g of y dy. Here f, g and h are arbitrary functions. So this is the required solution of this partial differential equation. One more example. Dou square z by dou x dou y minus sin x sin y equal to 0. Some conditions are given for which dou z by dou y is minus 2 sin y when x equal to 0 and z equal to 0 when y is odd multiple of pi by 2. Here in this condition dou z by dou y is given, therefore integrate first with respect to x, not with respect to y. That is the hint. Okay. When you integrate with respect to x, dou by dou x cancel, dou z by dou y remains, and integral of sin x is minus cos x, minus minus plus cos x sin y equal to integrating constant, that is function of y, and hence dou z by dou y plus cos x sin y, integral of sin x is minus cos x minus minus plus cos x sin y equal to integrating constant f of y. To find this function f of y, apply the given condition dou z by dou y is minus 2 sin y when x equal to 0. So cos 0 is 1. So minus 2 sin y plus sin y equal to f of y, and hence f of y is minus sin y. Dou z by dou y is minus 2 sin y, cos 0 when x is 0 means cos 0 is 1 into sin y plus sin y. Minus 2 sin y plus sin y is f of y, and hence f of y is minus sin y. Substitute the value of f of y and then integrate with respect to y. When you integrate with respect to y, treat x constant. So sin y integral is minus cos y, and hence z minus cos x cos y equal to cos y, integral of sin y is minus cos y with respect to y, integral of sin y is minus cos y, here is 1 minus, therefore plus cos y, plus integrating constant. Since x is fixed, integrating constant is any arbitrary function of x. To find the value of this arbitrary function g of x, apply this condition z equal to 0 when y is odd multiple of pi by 2. That means when y is 1 pi by 2 or 3 pi by 2 or 5 pi by 2, like that. For any odd multiple of pi by 2, z is 0. Odd multiple of pi by 2, let it be 1 pi by 2. When y is pi by 2, z is 0. Even for when y is pi by 2, z is 0. Put y is pi by 2 and z 0. 0 minus cos x into cos pi by 2. Cos pi by 2 is 0 equal to cos pi by 2, that is 0 plus g of x. 0 minus 0 equal to 0 plus g of x, and hence g of x is 0. Substitute the value of g of x. The required solution is z minus cos x cos y equal to cos y, or z equal to cos x cos y. Take this right side, it becomes plus cos x cos y plus cos y, or cos y into cos x plus 1. That is required solution, z equal to cos x plus 1 into cos y. One more example. Dou square z by dou x dou y equal to x by y plus a. A is any constant. Here you can integrate either first with respect to x or with respect to y, because no condition is given. So integrating with respect to x, keeping y fixed, dou z by dou y equal to integral of x is x square by 2. Here y constant, therefore 2y x square by 2y, plus integral of a with respect to x is ax, plus integrating constant any arbitrary function of y, let it be f of y. Now integrate with respect to y, keeping x fixed. So it becomes z equal to x square by 2 is constant, 1 by y integral with respect to y is log y, plus ax is constant, integral of 1 is y, so axy, plus f of y integral with respect to y is, let it be capital F of y, plus g of x, that is integrating constant. Since x is fixed, integrating constant is g of x. Z equal to x square by 2 into log y plus axy plus f of y plus g of x. That means f and g are arbitrary functions of y and x respectively. So this is the required solution for the given differential equation. One more example. Dou cube z by dou x square dou y equal to cos 2x plus 3y. So here also integrate first with respect to x twice, keeping y fixed. When you are going to integrate with respect to x, 1 dou by dou x cancel, therefore dou square z by dou x dou y equal to integral of cos is sin 2x plus 3y divided by coefficient of x is 2 divided by 2 plus integrating constant f of y. Once again integrate with respect to x, so dou z by dou y equal to integral of sin is minus cos 2x plus 3y divided by 2 means 2 into 2 4, plus f of y is constant and hence integral is x f of y, plus since y is fixed, integrating constant is g of y. Now integrate this equation with respect to y, keeping x fixed. So dou by dou y cancel, z equal to integral of cos is sin 2x plus 3y divided by 3 4s are 12 with minus sign. So minus sin 2x plus 3y by 12 plus x into integral of f of y is capital F of y, because you are integrating with respect to y, x is constant and hence f of y integral is capital F of y, plus g of y integral is capital G of y, plus integrating constant, that is h of x. Here capital F and g and this h are arbitrary functions of y and x. So that is the required solution. One more example. Dou square z by dou x square equal to xy. The given that dou z by dou x is log 1 plus y when x equal to 1 and z equal to 0 when x equal to 0. Since here dou square z by dou x square means you can integrate with respect to x only, and dou z by dou x is given, apply this condition, again integrate with respect to x. Therefore, when you integrate with respect to x keeping y fixed, dou by dou x cancel, dou z by dou x remains equal to integral of x is x square by 2 into y, that is constant, plus function of y. To find this f of y, apply this condition. When x equal to 1, dou z by dou x is log 1 plus y. So log 1 plus y is equal to y by 2, because x is 1, y by 2 plus f of y, and hence f of y is log 1 plus y minus y by 2. F of y is log 1 plus y minus y by 2. Substitute this value of f of y in this equation. Dou z by dou x equal to x square y by 2 plus log 1 plus y minus y by 2. Now once again integrate with respect to x keeping y fixed. So z equal to integral of x square is x cube by 3, 3 to the 6, and hence x cube y by 6 plus log 1 plus y is constant. When you are going to integrate with respect to x, keep y fixed, therefore log 1 plus y is constant. Constant into x means x log 1 plus y, minus y by 2 is constant, integral of 1 is x, therefore minus xy by 2 plus integrating constant, that is g of y. To find the g of y, put z equal to 0 when x equal to 0 means z is 0, x is 0. 0 equal to 0 plus 0 minus 0 plus g of y, and hence g of y is 0. The required solution is z equal to x cube y by 6 plus x log 1 plus y minus xy by 2. So this is the required solution. Okay. One more example. Dou z by dou x is 2x plus y and dou z by dou y is x minus 2y. When we consider the first equation, dou z by dou x is 2x plus y, it is simultaneous equation. Integrating with respect to x keeping y fixed means z equal to integral of x is x square by 2, 2 cancel, therefore x square plus integral of y is xy plus integrating constant f of y. Let it be equation 1. And second equation is dou z by dou y is equal to x minus 2y. Integrating with respect to y keeping x fixed means z equal to xy minus 2y square by 2, cancel 2. So xy minus y square plus integrating constant g of x. Now compare these two. Z equal to x square plus xy plus f of y. Z equal to xy minus y square plus g of x. Comparing these two, xy common, okay, fine. X square, here g of x, y is f of y minus y square. Therefore, by comparing equation 1 and 2, we get f of y is minus y square and g of x is x square. And hence, z equal to x square plus xy minus y square. Or you can write plus some constant c. So that is independent of x and y. Therefore, you can write the solution z equal to x square plus xy minus y square, or z equal to x square plus xy minus y square plus some c. One more example. Solve dou square u by dou x dou y is dou u by dou x. So it is little bit complicated, not direct one. Assume that dou u by dou x is some z. Then if dou u by dou x is z, left hand side becomes partial derivative of z with respect to y, that is dou z by dou y, equal to right hand side is z, that is dou u by dou x. Dou square u by dou x dou y is nothing but dou by dou x dou by dou y of u, or dou by dou y of dou u by dou x, dou by dou y of z equal to z. Now here, if z is function of y only, then dou z by dou y is nothing but dz by dy, and hence the solution of dz by dy equal to z means dz by z equal to dy. When you integrate this, log z equal to y plus c some k, therefore z equal to c1 e power y plus k means e power k is some c e power y, z equal to c e power y, or if you take it as d minus 1 z equal to 0, so homogeneous equation of first order, d minus 1, auxiliary equation is d minus 1 equal to 0, root is 1, therefore c e power y, e power 1y, because it is function of y. But z is not function of y only, z is function of x and y. Therefore, the solution of dou z by dou y equal to z is z equal to f of x into e power y. C may be any function of x. For this dou z by dou y equal to z, the solution is of the form z equal to e power y into some f of x. C may be some function of x. But what is z? Z is dou u by dou x. Therefore, dou u by dou x is e power y into f of x. Now integrate with respect to x keeping y constant. So u equal to, if e power y is constant, integral of f of x is, let it be capital F of x, plus integrating constant is any function of y, and hence u equal to e power y capital F of x plus integrating constant g of y. So this is the required solution for this differential equation. One more example. Dou square z by dou x dou y equal to x by y. The condition is when y equal to 1, dou z by dou x is log x, and when x equal to 1, z is 0. Here the condition given is dou z by dou x. Therefore, integrate first with respect to y, not with respect to x. So integrating with respect to y keeping x fixed means dou by dou y cancels, dou z by dou x remains. Dou z by dou x equal to x constant 1 by y integration is log y, x into log y, plus integrating constant, since x is fixed, integrating constant is any function of x. Apply this condition when y equal to 1, dou z by dou x is log x. So log x equal to x into log 1, log 1 is 0. Log x equal to 0 plus f of x, therefore f of x is log x. Substitute the value of f of x. So dou z by dou x becomes x log y plus log x. Now integrate with respect to x keeping y fixed, and hence z equal to x square by 2 log y plus integral of log x is x log x minus x. I will repeat once again. Dou z by dou x integration with respect to x is z equal to integral of x is x square by 2 log y constant plus log x integration is x log x minus x, that is PUC formula, okay, plus integrating constant, that is g of y, any arbitrary function of y, because y is fixed. The condition given is when x equal to 1, z is 0. When x equal to 1, z is 0. 0 equal to 1 by 2 log y plus 1 log 1. 1 log 1 is 0. Therefore, 0 minus 1 plus g of y, and hence g of y is 1 minus half log y. Z is 0. 0 equal to 1 by 2 log y and plus 0 minus 1 plus g of y, and hence g of y is 1 minus half log y. Substitute the value of g of y, that is 1 minus half log y, and hence z becomes, the required solution becomes x square by 2 log y plus x log x minus x plus g of y means 1 minus half log y. So this is the required solution. Okay. Next one. Dou square u by dou x dou t equal to e power minus t cos x. When t is 0, u is 0, and dou u by dou t is 0 when x is 0. Dou u by dou t is given, therefore first integrate with respect to x. When you integrate with respect to x by keeping t fixed, dou by dou x cancel, dou by dou t equal to e power minus t into integral of cos x is sin x, e power minus t into sin x, plus integrating constant f of t. By applying the second condition, dou u by dou t equal to 0 when x equal to 0 means sin 0 is 0, dou u by dou t is 0, 0 equal to 0 plus f of t, and hence f of t is 0. Therefore, dou u by dou t equal to e power minus t sin x. Now integrate with respect to t keeping x fixed. U equal to e power minus t integration is minus e power minus t sin x constant, keep as it is, plus g of x. To find the value of g of x, apply the first condition when t is 0, u is 0, 0 equal to minus e power 0, that is 1, minus sin x plus g of x. Therefore, g of x is sin x. By substituting the value of g of x, that is sin x, u becomes minus e power minus t sin x plus sin x, or sin x into 1 minus e power minus t. 1 minus e power minus t into sin x. By taking sin x outside, u becomes 1 minus e power minus t into sin x. One more example. Dou square u by dou x square equal to x plus y. Here integrating with respect to x twice, keeping y fixed. When you integrate with respect to x, it is dou u by dou x equal to x square by 2 plus xy plus integrating constant f of y. Once again integrate with respect to x, keeping y fixed, means u equal to x cube by 3, 3 to the 6, x cube by 6 plus x square by 2y plus x f of y plus g of y. U equal to x cube by 6 plus x square y by 2 plus x f of y plus g of y. Here f and g are arbitrary functions. Thank you for watching. So in the next lecture, I am going to discuss the equations involving only one variable, partial derivatives with only one variable. That we will discuss in the next lecture. Thank you for watching.